In this video, I'm going to reveal 12 affiliate programs for TikTokers. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which affiliate program is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as we know, TikTok is extremely popular and it's only growing in popularity every single day. And so what I've done is I've actually put together a list of 12 affiliate programs based by different niches that you could potentially start promoting and making some passive income. Now, before I put this list together, I went and found the 6 largest niches over on TikTok. Those 6 niches are baking or cooking, arts and crafts, relationship, fashion, fitness, and then I added side hustles because that seems to be pretty popular in my algorithm. So based on those 6 popular niches, these are the 12 best affiliate programs. So #1 for baking or cooking, I actually went over to Amazon. And the reason why I like Amazon is there's so many different things that you can promote. You can promote everything from stand mixers to crock pots to Instapots. There's just a lot that you can promote. Now, what I recommend when you're promoting products over on Amazon, find products that are at least $150. To become an affiliate for Amazon, scroll all the way down to the bottom here and click on Become an Affiliate. Now, once you click on this and you go through the process, you will get a conditional or temporary approval. You will need to make 3 qualified sales within the specified time frame in order for you to gain full acceptance. Now, in the event that doesn't happen, you can always reapply, but #1 is Amazon. #2, I jumped over to ClickBank and I found different recipes. Now, there are recipe books that you can promote. For example, this keto recipe cookbook, you'll make $13.53 on average anytime someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys. Now, in my opinion, one of the great ways to make money over on TikTok is to promote recipe books. So you show people how to cook something and then you could promote a recipe book. You could even create your own recipe book if you have the time, but promoting different recipe books could be a good way. I also included Williams Sonoma. So Williams Sonoma is a high-end, it sells pots and pans, it sells all sorts of different accessories as you can see here. But if you're looking for something that's a little bit more expensive, if your target audience has a little bit more disposable income, Williams Sonoma could be a good opportunity. So that is #1. #2 is actually with arts and crafts. Arts and crafts can be anything from basket weaving to teaching your kids how to draw. There's just a lot of opportunity. And in my opinion, one of the great ways to take advantage of that opportunity is with Michaels. As you can see here, with Michaels, they have all sorts of categories. Now, what you could do, and I recommend that you do, is you pick these different categories and you create content within these categories. So this would be your niche. For example, we could look at decor. And you could simply create content about holiday decor or flooring or outdoor, whatever it is. You simply create a bunch of content and then you could refer people over to Michaels for their affiliate program. Another opportunity is with Hobby Lobby. Now, some people don't like Hobby Lobby for various reasons, but it's still a good opportunity to make money. As you can see, it's formulated or set up just like Michaels, where they have different niches here. You could go under art supplies and create all sorts of content showing people how to draw, and you could potentially make money. Once again, you could use something like Amazon as well. #3 is actually the relationship niche. The relationship niche, you could actually promote eHarmony and make passive income. This could be a great way to make money. One of the biggest things that I see over on TikTok are people talking about how to fall in love or how to stay in love or how to find a companion or mate. And this could be a good opportunity. eHarmony is in just about every major market across the globe, so it can be a good opportunity. As you can see here down at the bottom here, they actually have different niches as well. So you could create content about senior dating life, or Christian dating, or Black dating, and potentially find your niche and make lots of money. If you don't want to promote how to fall in love, you could actually promote how to stay in love. Now, if you look here, certified relationship coaching will pay you $74.68 anytime someone clicks on your link and buys. Below here, women's dating and relationship advice, $68.13. You can see there's lots of opportunity. Once again, I'm over on ClickBank, and what I did is I just searched relationship and I went through and found some of the best ones. You could do this too. Now, you could give advice on how to find a man, find a woman, find a companion, and how to stay in love, and recommend some of these different opportunities. but as you can see, the relationship is very popular over on TikTok. After relationship, we have fashion. Women love fashion. Men love fashion. It's a good opportunity. As you can see, one of the best affiliate programs is the Shein affiliate program. I actually did a complete video about the Shein affiliate program on one of my other YouTube channels. Maybe I'll link it down below. But you can see this is a good opportunity to make money. One way to make money are try-on hauls. That seems to be pretty popular across the internet. You can do it on YouTube. You can do it on TikTok as well. Do certain try-on hauls. You can do winter apparel. You can do summer apparel. If we're in the winter, people are looking to plan their vacation and they're going to need something to wear. So Shein could be a good opportunity. You could also be an affiliate for Amazon, but I also like the Nike affiliate program. As you can see here, this woman is trying to meditate around a lot of stuff going on. You could promote different products within Nike and make very good money. You could just promote to sneakerheads and make good money. You can promote just to women's fashion, kids. There's a lot of opportunity. You put your links in the description and potentially make money. After fashion, we have fitness. Fashion and fitness can be intertwined, but I decided to separate them. And with this, we're actually looking at Under Armour. Under Armour is a very good opportunity to make money, make passive income. Once again, you can do try-on hauls. You can actually show the Under Armour apparel in action. I do see a lot of males wearing Under Armour. Usually it's the USA, these colors don't run type of stuff over on TikTok, but Under Armour could be a great way to make passive income with TikTok. And after Under Armour, we have GNC. And GNC is, as you know, offers different supplements, helps you customize your meal plans. Also a great way to make passive income. A lot of people doing yoga over on TikTok, doing different workouts, different individual workouts. So if you want to increase your biceps or if you want to increase your abs, do this workout type of stuff, you could recommend some supplements and potentially make money. After fitness, I included side hustles. One of the best side hustles, I think, or one of the most talked about side hustles out there is how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. And this right here, Tube Mastery Monetization by Matt Parr, is one of those out there that can show people how to do that. And you can make $200 anytime you refer someone to this affiliate program. But I also want to include ClickFunnels because ClickFunnels will help people start a side hustle. There are tons of side hustle affiliate programs out there, but I think this one, as well as ClickFunnels, the One Funnel Away Challenge, could be a good opportunity. There's other programs out there like Legendary Marketer. I think you could find a bunch of them too, also on ClickBank. But I would stick with Tube Mastery for people that want to start a YouTube channel, and also ClickFunnels if they want to start a business. It could be clothing, it could be jewelry, it could be digital products, whatever it is. Now that you know 12 different affiliate programs for TikTok, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.